Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make a frame with the heart chart. Draw a square shape and cut it. Now I use scale to draw 8 centimeter lines of this chart. Draw 8 centimeter line each side of it or each corner of it. Okay, I fold it because I don't handle it. Okay, draw shape. Okay, I think it's done. Now I draw 2 centimeter lines of each corner. Now I draw lines. Okay, cut the corners. Two centimeter line. Now draw a line in last box and the third last box. Cut it with a scissor of two sides, not a fold. Use a glue and fold it. Use other glue and fold it easily. Okay, frame. It looks amazing. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.